taking your precious time and being here tonight. Well, Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles and ABC Motors welcome you tonight for the official launch of the Eicher Pro 3008.
ABC Motors has been shining for 18 years, since 1996, because for 18 years we've been number one on the market. And we are confident with the launch of Eicher Pro 3008 tonight, we are going to reach the milestone of over 200 Eicher vehicles by beginning of next year. So it's a great milestone.
I must show the gratitude that my brand has for all those customers who have given us a chance to be a vibrant part of the truck industry, truck and bus industry here in Mauritius. And at the same time, I thank the management of ABC Motors for inviting us, having been such a wonderful and true partner with us here. They bring the strength of aftermarket support, relationships, and an extreme amount of professionalism in their behavior with customers, and that goodwill and love has certainly translated to us.
The Pro Series has, for its part, been designed and developed in a modern, high-tech and multi-facility manufacturing plant in collaboration with Volvo Group. And in fact, ever since its international launch, the 3008 performance has been unmatched in terms of its low cost of ownership, best fuel efficiency in its kind, and also safety and reliability due to its technology affiliated with Volvo.
Today, the baby who is taking birth here in Mauritius, the venture called Pro 3008. Now that, I believe, is a truck which will truly show the capability which Volvo Group and Eicher Motors has. This is, I think, thus far, the most technologically superior product and most apt product that we've had.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Eicher Pro 3008.
Eicher Pro 3008 is 8.5 gross vehicle weight truck. It has a very good fuel efficiency. Plus, it also governs the fuel with the fuel injectors reliably.
It's important for me to mention that the backbone of our business model has always been our after sales, because we have a dedicated team of after sales with more than 20 years of experience.
In Eicher, we believe that customer is supreme, he is king. So, customer centricity is our core value. And I am glad to hear from Nitish that ABC Motors has the same mindset and they put customer first in everything. So, in Eicher, right from the product design, testing, validation, sales, after sales, we do everything keeping customers' needs and want in view, so that at the end of the day, when customers use our product, they see value and they appreciate it. So that is our philosophy.